Hello everyone, welcome to vertical subtraction. Today we're going to learn how to subtract 536,010 subtracted from 152,735. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at it in columns. We have the units column, which is the ones, the tens column, the hundreds column, the thousands column, the 10,000s column, and the 100,000s column. So now let's look at the units column. 0 cannot subtract 5. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to borrow from the tens family, the tens column. So I like to call them families, but columns are okay. So we're going to scratch out the 1 and we're going to lend it to the units column. So here when we scratch out the 1, we make it 0. So now that it is 0, we have tens to lend to the units column. So here you go, we put the 1 in the units column. Now we have 10 and we can subtract 10, subtract 5. It's going to give us an answer of 5. Now looks like we have a little problem here because this is 0 and in the 100 it's also 0. So what we have to do now is actually go to the thousands family. We're going to have to say, hello sir, please can I borrow some 1 because I have none. So the kind old thousands family will say, sure, no problem, let me lend you 1. And they're going to scratch out the 6. We're going to make it 5. Now that we have 1 less, the 1 is going to go to the good old hundreds family. Now this becomes a 10. Now the hundreds family say, I'm so kind, let me lend to the tens family. So we're going to scratch that out and we are going to make it 9. So now that we have our 1, we can lend it to the tens family. Right, so the 10 is say, oh yippee yay, I'm very happy now. So we've got 10 and I can subtract. So we're going to say 10 subtract 3 is 7. Okay, so now the hundreds family is also happy. They have enough. So they're going to say 9 subtract 7 is 2. And then the going to put 2 here. Now the thousands family also has enough. They're very happy as well. They're going to say 5 subtract 2 is 3. Now in the 10,000s column, 3 cannot subtract 5 to give you a whole number. So we're going to go to the 100,000s family and we're going to scratch out the 5. We're going to make it 1 less, which is 4, and we're going to lend that 1 to the 10,000s family. Then it becomes 13. 13 subtract 5 is 8. And we go to the next column. In the 100,000s column, we're going to say 4 subtract 1 is 3. And that is how we do vertical multiplication. I hope you understood it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.